Hello friends, today I bought a surprise for my viewers. I got this Mercedes-Benz from an auction. It is a 20-year-old car. It is E-Class from 2000. It is W210 series. Let's take some glimpse from the inside. The interior is perfect. It is of good quality and plush even after 20 years. It is not looking very old or outdated. Mercedes-Benz, they always use good materials and they design the vehicles to the perfection. There are only few controls, like these are controls for lights, for headlights, and for parking brake. It is an old and simple vehicle. This pen is there because there are some issues with the horn, so I fixed it like this. We will do all the mechanical work done once the restoration process will start. Let's fire up the engine. It is a DI engine, so it will take some time to get stable RPM or to get fired up. Let's give it another try. Here we go. The engine is running. It will take some time to stable the RPM. The DA engines, they have this behavior in winters. Let's go to the engine bay and let me show you the DI engine. It's a D5 engine. It have 5 cylinders. It is the most durable and reliable engine from Mercedes-Benz. These engines don't have high technology or a very high-tech injector system. These are simple engines, and I'm giving you a walk around of the project car. There are number of dents and cracks in the paint which we are going to restore in few days, and it is a final look before restoration.